welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a holiday gift guide for him, since last week I did a holiday gift guide for her. So if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And also you can follow me on my Instagram where I post lots of fun things, updates, and outfit inspiration. So go ahead and follow me there. And let's get started. Alright, so how I've arranged this list is by just understanding first the psychological part of men in general. When it comes to gifts, they like something that is practical, so something that will fulfill a need is definitely the best thing that you can get for him. So I've arranged this list according to maybe the different types of guys that are out there, whether he's the office kind of guy, he's a gym kind of guy. I'll be going through that, and here are some of the gift guides the gift ideas that I have in mind and that I've spoken to with some of my friends and my brothers, so I'll be sharing that with you. Alright, so number one, the guy who always loses something or is somehow always missing his keys. So if this is the type of guy that you want to get a present for, a good idea is to get him a Bluetooth tracker. I've actually seen these in Amazon, and basically how it works is it's like a keychain and they can attach it to their keys. So if they lose their keys quite a bit and they misplace it, they can attach the Bluetooth tracker on it and then they can use their phone to find it. I don't know how it would work if he were to lose his phone, but then he has his keys. But I think he can attach it really to whatever object. So if he tends to lose his keys more, then he would attach it to that. Now it's a problem, I guess, if he loses his phone, but I really doubt it. At this day and age, everyone always has their phone, and at least you can call a phone. Next is the laid back, easygoing kind of guy. Now, for this kind of guy, I would gift him a dress shirt, and I'll tell you why. Now, you would probably think, oh, he's laid back, he's usually in a t-shirt or things like that, but chances are there's always something, some sort of event, some sort of meeting where he will always be looking for a dress shirt, and he just never seems to have the right size, or he can never find it, or he can never find an appropriate one. So a dress shirt would be a good one for him, and he can always, dress it up to be more casual as well. So just make sure that you find out his right size. It's really important for a guy to have the right size, especially when it comes to dress shirts, because the proportion of the neck and the length of the sleeve can definitely play a big role as to how it would look on him. So just make sure that you check those measurements out. Alright, so the next type of guy that I have in mind is the investor. So he's always the guy who's looking into how to invest. He's looking into Bitcoin, he's looking into stocks, he's looking into how to save for his future and the different ways to really earn even passive income. He's very into managing his money, and so really the most practical gift that you can give any guy is money. But if you don't want to give money, that's fine. For the investor, another idea is to buy stocks or a share of stocks. It doesn't have to be like a bunch, but even then, if you are very close with him, for example, if he's your brother or he's your husband, he's your boyfriend, and you know that they're constantly checking their phone to see how the stocks are doing, they're constantly doing their research to see how certain companies are gonna do or how they're doing right now, what the predictions are, then this is the kind of guy that would definitely appreciate that kind of gift. So if you are unsure as to how it works, you can just listen to what they're saying, what stocks they're interested in, and you can get it for them. So it's a really cool way to gift it to somebody without giving just straight up money, but you are showing that, hey, yeah, like I listened to you, I know this is what you love doing, and I appreciate you, here you go. Okay, so the next guy I have in mind is the sports fan or the sports guy. So he's the type of guy who either loves doing a lot of sports, or he loves watching sports, or he likes to do both. So with him, it's really quite easy. You can get any kind of sports merch that supports his favorite team. So for example, if he loves the Toronto Raptors, now I'm from Toronto, then you can get him anything Raptors really. It could even be a mug, it could be socks, it could be a cap, it could be a jersey, it could be a varsity jacket, depending on what your budget is and depending on how much you want to spoil him. Then you can even get just one thing, or you can get two things, three things, completely up to you. There's a lot of flexibility there. And we have the gamer. So this one is a little bit tricky for me because I know nothing about the gaming world. But I did ask my brother who does love to play games, and also a couple of friends who are gamers, if you will, or like maybe they're not regular gamers but they know something about gaming. So I heard that headphones are like really, really good headphones would be a good gift for them, or anything really that will enhance the experience of their gaming world. So I don't know, I feel like headphones, as somebody who loves music, I understand how that would enhance the gaming world experience. It's because when you hear something at a better quality, it does feel like you're there. So anything that you can think of that will enhance their experience, really. First thing that comes to my mind is headphones, and I'm going around the same thing over and over again because I really know nothing about gaming. But I would imagine even like a screen, like the monitor, if you want to get that for him, you can. Something that gives like a higher resolution of what they're seeing, or something, I guess, with a bigger processor. My gamers out there, help me out. Let me know if I'm saying this right. If not, leave it in the comments down below, ways that you can enhance your experience as a gamer. But those are the things that I have in my mind. So even getting something that like a stuffed animal of their favorite character, or their favorite like player, what do you call it, character that you play in the game, something like that. It can be even a t-shirt with their favorite character, or like their favorite game that they like to play. It's similar to the sports guy, except his team is gonna be like a team of gamers with their characters. That's the only difference. So you can get gaming merch as well. And next we have none other than the gym rat, the one who loves to go to the gym, the one who loves to take care of his body, super healthy. He is always on top of his fitness game. Then some of the ideas I have for this person, some of the ideas that I have for him is getting him like resistance bands, or any workout gear that he can use at home as well. So we know that they love going to the gym, but there are times where they just can't because of life, work, whatever it is, but they still want to make sure that they get their workout in. So maybe like TRX bands, resistance bands, weights, or even workout clothes. So you know the person that you want to give a gift to, so you know what they always talk about it. When you really listen to somebody and they're talking about something that they're passionate about, something that they love doing, their hobbies, they will always blurt out what they need or wish they had. So if you listen in closely, you can hear, oh, maybe I wish I got this kind of water bottle. It's really helpful. It keeps the temperature that I need for my workout. I don't know, I'm making it up, but you get what I mean. Next is the office guy, the guy who's always in meetings. He's always needing coffee. So you are definitely gonna give him something that has to do with coffee, obviously. So you can give him a Starbucks. You can get him a Starbucks gift card, or you can get him his favorite coffee. But the reason I say Starbucks gift card is because convenience is what he is looking for. It is really hard for him to make coffee, dash out that door, make it to that meeting, or even while he's already working in the office. He's not just gonna easily make coffee like that. He is more likely to go to a Starbucks or whatever coffee shop and get himself coffee, because let's be real, who would make coffee if you had the chance to just buy it, right? Or if somebody would just serve you coffee, you're likely to want that service instead of you having to do it yourself. And actually, my brother and I were talking about this, and he said it's like, think of it as like if you were a billionaire, right? Would you rather someone give you your coffee, someone serve you your coffee, or would you rather make it yourself? Now, if you're a billionaire, chances are you're likely to just buy that coffee or have somebody else get it for you. So either way, you're paying for that service. And so like Starbucks gift card or whatever coffee gift card you get him is like making him feel like $1 million or $1 billion in this example. It's like, yeah, I see you working really hard in those meetings. You've gone into nonstop meetings. You've been working on that paperwork. You've been on it. And so I'm now gifting you with Starbucks gift card. May you feel like $1 billion. I love it. I love it. It's so simple, but something so simple can make someone feel like $1 billion. Last but not the least, of course, there's always a bunch more gift ideas, a bunch more different personalities, but this one is really for any kind of guy. And I couldn't finish this video without saying this, but this is a really good gift. It is to cook for him. Now, if you are like me and you are a terrible cook, this is the time to learn, because yeah, like it's an incredible gift for him. Not only for this time of the year, but if you learn how to cook now and you get better as time goes on, then I'm sure he'll appreciate it. Whether it's your dad, your brother, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever it is, I'm sure nothing makes them happier than seeing a plate of food in front of them, their favorite meal, without them having to really lift a finger to make that food. It's like, guys are very simple. They're very simple, and I'm sure this will make them happy. Everyone knows, like, when you cook, it takes time. When you cook, the ingredients, the tender love and care that is poured into it is just as important. It's just not quite the same when you get food that's takeout or from a restaurant. Homemade food always has that touch of love, and we all know that the way to his heart is through his stomach. So if you want to cook him a meal, this is definitely a budget-friendly way to do it, but it is so special for him. So anyway, this is the list that I have. Let me know in the comments down below what you are planning to gift him this holiday season. I really want to know the ideas that you guys have as well. And so yeah, I'm wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It's definitely one of my favorite seasons ever. It's Christmas season. I'm wishing you guys all the best. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.